So the first thing we want to do is, if we're finding, we want to be able to find the first derivative. So let's go ahead and take dy over dx of x plus y, or sorry, x plus 3 over x minus 1. So to do that, I'm just going to redo the kind of difference quotient. I'm going to take a bus u. I'm going to take the derivative of the numerator, which is just 1, times my denominator, x minus 1, minus my numerator, x plus 3. I notice that I'm dealing with binomials, so I'm just going to put an extra bracket there, and then times 1. It's not really necessary, but again, it just reminds me to apply distributive property, because I don't want to forget that, all over x minus 1 squared. Well, when I go ahead and simplify this, I get x minus 1 minus x minus 3 over x minus 1 squared. And you can see here, those subtract out, and then I'm left with negative 1 minus 3, which is equal to a negative 4 over x minus 1 squared. Right? So therefore, now, if I want to be able to find the derivative again of that, you're basically just taking, again, dy dx. Again, you're taking the derivative of negative 4 over x minus 1 squared. Well, again, what we can do in this case, because basically you're just taking the derivative twice, right? So therefore, when we're we can just simplify this. I can use this as, I know this is the chain rule, but I could look at this like this. So this, in reality, can be rewritten like this. Negative 4 times x minus 1 to the negative second power. Would you guys agree with me? And then if you look at it this way, we can just apply chain rule. It's really actually not that bad. Bring down the negative 2, so that becomes a positive 8, times x minus 1, subtract 1, so that's negative 3, and then times the derivative of the inside, which is 1. I can just rewrite this as 8 over x minus 1 cubed. So the second derivative of dy dx would just be 8 over x minus 1 cubed. Questions?